Today we're pouring a 6,300 square foot concrete driveway. It's a circular driveway for some really good people out here at Canyon Lake. We've got our fourth truck out here doing the pour. We've got another 60 yards of concrete on the way. We should be done hopefully before dark. But what a storybook picture on this cabin that our customer built. I'm going to take you to the back of the house, show you what he did with a bunch of flagstone. What a tremendous job here with flagstone. Kind of reminds me of downtown San Antonio at the Alamo. Phenomenal job here. Let me take you down the trail here. I told the owner he should charge people to come look at this because I feel like I'm downtown. I'm at downtown San Antonio. Beautiful work. Beautiful view. All right, we'll be back later to show you the rest.